Well, hello, all Cambridge ISANI fifth grade science students. This is Mr. Greenfield here. I just want to introduce you to the trimester 3 Earth Science unit. This unit actually has 5 benchmarks for the state standards, but for the next several weeks, we're just going to be focusing on the 2 benchmarks that you see on the screen here. The first benchmark explaining how over time rocks will weather, they'll combine with organic matter and form soil. And the second benchmark here explaining how both slow and rapid processes can form features on the Earth's surface. The slower processes, such as erosion and weathering, that might take thousands of years, to the more rapid processes, such as like earthquakes and landslides and volcanoes. You'll notice on the science page when you logged in here that we have 2 required assignments for this first week, and then there's multiple different activities and the optional portion that you could explore the concepts more in depth or further, depending on your time frame that you have at home. So, but to get to those 2 required ones, I want you to navigate to our school's website, and we're going to log in through Clever Portal. Most of us have experience doing that. You'll click on Clever, and it'll ask you to log in using Google. I'll wait for mine to load here. I've already logged in. So you're going to have multiple icons here like iExcel, maybe Extra Math. The one that I want you to focus on, I've put here separately, is called FOSS. You're going to click on FOSS, and that will log you in through Clever. And as you can see, I've already signed in. I'm just going to go up to my teacher page here. You'll have a student page that's going to look very similar to my page, but it's not going to be identical. So if yours doesn't look the same, I don't want you to get upset or worried. Now you're going to have, as you can see, I'm scrolling through, these are multiple classes here. You're going to have multiple classes underneath yours too. Now you can log in under your homeroom teacher, but the one icon that you're going to want to look for is this one, and it will be under your teacher page. So you're going to click on rocks and soils and landforms. And that will take you to a screen that's going to look very similar to this. Keep in mind, not identical, because you have a student page, not a teacher page. I did not want to log in as a student and have your name posted up here on the screen. So I logged in as myself. Your digital resources, such as your ebook, your videos, and so forth, are actually going to show up in this column that's going to say media up here. Your tutorials and your virtual investigation, those tutorials are going to show up in this first column way towards the bottom. But for this first week, for your assignment, you're actually going to go to streaming videos, and you're going to scroll down. You'll click on that. You're going to scroll down to the weathering and erosion video. That video is about 20 to 25 minutes long. You're going to watch that video on weathering and erosion. And then the tutorial one, you're going to go to tutorials, click on that link. Sorry, I tried to click on that. You're going to click on tutorials, and you're going to scroll down to the weathering tutorial as well, which is right here. Okay, once you've gone through that, the weathering tutorial will have some questions at the end that you'll go through. And those are your required assignments for this first week. Once again, I would encourage you to do some of the optional ones and explore the concept further if you have time. You know, I realize that this first week we're kind of all in this together, and, you know, there might be some technical glitches and things like that, but just let you know that we're here for you. Please contact your classroom teacher if you have any questions or concerns, and we are going to do our best to help you out.